how to fix Valorant failed to open Descriptor file error. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can fix Valorant failed to open Descriptor file on your device. So I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can fix it. Make sure to stick with us till the end and follow the instruction as guided. First of all, the step number 1 is that you need to completely close your Vanguard or Valorant. For that, you need to open up your task manager, tap on the search box and then type in task manager. You need to locate where the Valorant or Vanguard is currently running in the background. So for that, right click on your mouse and then click on end task. Also make sure to check it right over here in the bottom corner of your screen and just right click on your mouse and then click on exit Vanguard. If the procedure isn't helpful, then what else you can do is you can simply uninstall or delete the program. Tap on the search box and type in control panel, or you can simply type in app or installed app. And once you're on this page, you need to locate Vanguard or Roy client and then right click on your mouse or tap on the 3-dot icon just right in the corner and click on the uninstall button. Once again, there will be a confirmation, so if you're sure about uninstalling it, click on uninstall. Apart from this, what else you can do is you can also check for the update or update your Windows. In order to update your Windows, tap on the Windows up in the left hand side bar of your screen. After that, check whether you need to update the program or not. And once you have updated your Windows, try installing the application once again and restart your device at the same time and try logging into your account. This might be able to fix the issue. These were the few steps on how you can fix Valorant failed to open Descriptor file error. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.